The world is changing too fast for your self-doubt to keep up. Startups are shutting down. Jobs are getting wiped out by AI. Skills that were valuable last year are already outdated. In this chaos, there's no time for hesitation. And yet, most people are crippled by the same invisible enemy: self-doubt. It doesn't show up as a full-blown breakdown. It whispers quietly before you apply, before you pitch, before you speak. It shows up as, "I'm not ready yet," or "What if I fail?" And every time you listen to it, you kill your future before it even begins. This episode is not a pep talk. This is a mental weapon in the form of a 90-second ritual to rewrite your identity, kill self-doubt, and bring back the version of you that leads, decides, executes, even if your confidence is at zero right now. I promise you, by the end of this, you will feel that switch flip. I am Dr. MD, strategist for subconscious mastery, peak performance, and success. I help people rewire their brain to acquire extraordinary abilities so they can perform at the highest level in their chosen field and become truly exceptional. I hold a Guinness World Record for super memory. I'm an author and I am a certified hypnotherapist. This is part of my course, Change Your Mind, Change Your Life, Mental Hacks That Work Instantly. The free workbook is in the description and available for a limited time. And all the previous episodes are linked below. Now, let's jump in. First, understand this. Self-doubt is not humility. It's a virus. A mental parasite that makes you overthink a decision your gut already knows is right. You see someone else doing what you want to do and think, maybe they are more qualified. But they are not. They are just not arguing with themselves. The people who rise in this world don't wait until they feel perfect. They act, and through action they become powerful. You don't eliminate self-doubt by thinking harder. You eliminate it by rewiring the signal. This ritual is exactly that. Now, let's learn the 4 steps to eliminate, and before that, you can access my HATS method course created to transform negative emotions into power. It's free as of now. You can access it by clicking on the link in the description. Now let's learn step 1 to rewire your identity and kill self-doubt to bring back the version of you that leads, decides, and executes even if your confidence is at zero right now. What's the step? It's called interrupt the thought spiral. The moment self-doubt creeps in, stop. Say this out loud. This is not me. This is old software. That line separates identity from self-talk, or I would say interference. Then create a micro jolt. Clap your hands, snap your fingers, thump your chest, get your body to respond. What you're doing is snapping your brain out of autopilot and forcing presence. This is your pattern break. Let me show you how this works in real world. Let's say you are about to meet a client, and just before you do, the inner voice of self-doubt starts whispering, "What if I fail? I am not ready yet." Immediately get inside the nearest bathroom to interrupt that pattern. Once you are in the bathroom or anywhere you like your car, clap your hands, snap your fingers, and thump your chest and say it out loud. This is not me. This is old software. I am enough and I got this. You do this and see what happens. Step 2, anchor certainty. This is a powerful NLP technique. You will utilize it only when you use it. Press your thumb and middle finger together. Hold. Now bring up a memory where you felt absolutely powerful. A win, a moment of personal dominance. You made the decision. You made it happen. Okay? Whatever that situation was, think about it. Visualize it. Now, Amplify the feeling. Breathe into it. At the emotional peak, lock that in with a squeeze. That's your certainty anchor. Practice this for at least 7 days, and then whenever you press these fingers together, your body will remember who you really are. Step 3. Future self-embodiment. This is where you activate your next identity. Stand like the version of you who already owns it. Speak like the version who commands rooms. Think like the one who's already done the work, built the skills, and walks with certainty. You are not visualizing a future self, you are stepping into it right now. Say this out loud with full power. Enough preparation, enough delay, now is the move, and I got this. Say it again. Enough preparation, enough delay, now is the move, and I got this. Say it again and again, louder and louder. When you do this, you are not acting. You are instructing your nervous system that this is no longer a vision, it's your new default. Step 4. Rapid repetition. To lock the loop, say this 5 times with increasing intensity. I am done hesitating. I execute. I evolve. I expand. Each time louder, each time deeper, each time more true. What you're doing is bypassing logic and imprinting belief into the body. Use this ritual before important moments, before interviews, sales calls, exams, performances, or whenever the old "what if I fail" voice comes crawling back. Train your nervous system to respond like a victor, not a victim. Drop your identity upgrade in the comments. What role are you stepping into now? What decision are you making without hesitation? And if this lit a fire in your brain, Foundation X is where we go even deeper. Inside, we don't just give techniques. We break and rebuild your entire internal identity structure using subconscious tools most people have never even heard of. You will find rewiring rituals, identity pivots, and deep performance conditioning that makes high pressure execution your default. The link is in the description. Join now, because when self-doubt dies, your real life begins. I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and take charge.